What is one of the realistic way to color black and white images, especially the skin in Photoshop by using color palettes. Also, how to literally paint some areas with color to make the skin more natural instead of having the same color tone. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Divya Saigal, your trainer. Today we'll learn about the color changes and palette creation in a very simplest way. I request you to watch this video till the end for a magical result. So, let's create with Divya. Alright, straight up jump into Photoshop. Here you can see a black and white image of a model is open. Please watch this video till the end to see the magical realistic color tone. So before I start coloring this black and white image, I need an image with similar lighting for skin tone reference. So I'll drag another image over the already opened image. You just need to find the image with similar lighting conditions and good color tone. Let's adjust the size and positioning of the image as per proper visibility. Now what I will do is, I'll make a selection of her stomach area, which is a skin area, as I don't need the full image. For this I'll use lasso tool and make a selection. After selecting the skin area, press Ctrl+J to make its duplicate layer. Now as we have the main skin tone reference, we can delete the image layer in the layer panel. Now it's time to create a skin tone palette. This is very interesting and crucial part now. Guys, select the eyedropper tool from the tool panel and make the sample size to 5x5 average or 3x3 average if it is fixed to point sample. It is done because we want the average color, not the color from any kind of noise. So let's take 5x5 average. It will create a box of 5x5 pixels and take the average color. But make sure in sample tab all layers is selected because we need the effect on all the layers. Now zoom the reference image and take the brush tool. You can choose any brush, soft or hard, but I will go with a hard round brush. Firstly, let's work on highlights of the color, which are the brightest areas. With brush keep selected, press Alt button and pick up brightest area of the skin. I think this is the brightest area. Now paint the brightest color on the canvas. Similarly, choose the darkest area of the skin. Select by pressing Alt and paint on the canvas. Now choose a mid-tone color which comes between the brightest and the darkest color tone. Again, select it by pressing Alt and paint on the canvas. Now let's choose a moderately dark shade as well and paint it as well. It's always good to have a variety of colors to choose from. Now our colors are final. So take a rectangular marquee tool. Its shortcut is M and make a rectangular selection on the color stripes. Press Ctrl+J to make a duplicate layer out of this. Now you can delete the color stripes layer. This color palette will be used in sampling the colors. Rename the sample color layers as skin tone or skin color. Now select the background layer. We will create a gradient map. Click on the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the layer panel and choose gradient map. Now this gradient map will be created by using the sample skin color tones. Click on the gradient band color in the gradient editor window You can see a color slider having highlights on the right side and shadows on the left hand side. Make sure to select the layer thumbnail, not the mask thumbnail. Now single click on the right highlight slider button and pick a color from the sample color strip. I will choose brightest color. Make sure in sample tab all layers is selected. Click OK. Now single click on the left shadow slider button and pick a color from the sample color strip. Choose darkest color now. But again make sure in sample tab all layers is selected. Click OK. Now click to add a button on the color slider band. Again repeat the same process. Single click on it. Choose the midtone color from the sample color strip. Keep all layers option selected in the sample tab. Click OK. Zoom the image and adjust the color sliders as per the required detail. After doing the color tone adjustments, click OK. Now change the blending mode to color. Now we can again open the gradient map adjustment layer and do some R&D on the skin tone like this. Now this looks nice. Now it's time to add a mask only to the skin area. For this, select the mask on the layer panel. Press Ctrl+I to make it a negative mask. Take a soft round brush. Set its flow and opacity to 100%. Choose foreground color to white and start painting on the skin area. Guys, it will take some time to paint the skin area in detail. I am doing it quickly so that I can show you the process further. Now the painting of the skin area is done. Skin color looks good, but still it looks flat and artificial. Guys, if we see our skin tone, colors are different in every part of our body. Some areas are lighter, whereas some are darker. In this image, the same color tone is distributed everywhere on the skin area, which is not natural. So, to give it some natural tone, double click on the right side of the layer with mask. A layer style window opens. Just go to the underlying layer color slider and adjust the dark and light color tone as per your likeness. You can add more sliders by pressing Alt plus left mouse button. You can clearly see the difference by moving and adjusting the sliders. It gives a natural tone. After adjusting, click OK. Now select the gradient map layer and again go to the gradient map color slider window. Adjust the color tone little bit again. Now skin is looking good. It's time to give a color to the clothes now. Take another hue saturation adjustment layer and adjust the color which you want to give. After setting the colors, click on mask and press Ctrl+I to create a negative mask. Set foreground color to white. Take a smooth brush, set the flow of the brush to 100% and start painting on the cloth area. I am doing it very quickly because I have to show you the final result, but please, if you do it very smoothly and precisely with finishing the corners. Guys, you can make her skin tone very smooth also. It involves a very simple and quick process which will turn a rough skin to a very smooth and beautiful one. But as this is not a skin smoothing tutorial, I can't tell you about that. You can check the I button at the top right corner of this video to get the link of that magical tutorial as well. You can do these steps again and again for eyes, cigarette and background as well. What you need to do is, you just need to take a new hue saturation adjustment layer every time, fix a color, select mask and press Ctrl+I to make it a negative mask. Then take a brush and start painting. That's it. Our final image is done, guys. Now I will give it my flavor. I'll add a curve adjustment layer mask only to the skin area, which will make it more vibrant by repeating the same painting process. Now the final image is done. Isn't it a magic? I hope you have liked this tutorial. That's all for today's video guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please help me by subscribe and sharing my videos, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for more interesting videos. Thank you for creating with me guys. Keep creating new things. Stay tuned. Bye bye guys. Take care.